back to my channel and the weekend vlog. So I'm actually not driving. Well, I'm in the truck. Jonathan, we never take the truck anymore. It's crazy. We are driving out to the Waller County fairgrounds. We're gonna go hang out with some friends, and they're doing we're basically supporting her son. They were doing like a fundraiser, and they were selling tickets for the fair, like all you can eat crawfish or whatever, and then the demo derby, which is tomorrow. So we'll be doing the crawfish tonight and then the demo derby tomorrow. So it's just a little like local county fair basically. So that's what we're doing right now. Just heading out there. We actually looked at some houses out here. It's about 45 minutes from where we currently live. But didn't work out. Are they gonna get over, or?
I know, I don't know what the hell.
Anyways, I just wanted to start the vlog and say hello, and yeah, we'll see you when we're eating some crawfish.
Yes. Oh, and of course, it wasn't until Thursday the phone starts ringing.
Every single time.
I'm looking at 7.5 I'm looking at 7, I'm looking at 25, 7, I'm looking at 3. I'm going to take 3,000. I'm going to get 27.5. I'm going to get 3,000. Circle low one more time. $3,000. Don't you miss it for a little bit. I'm going to get 32.5.
$3,000.
I'm going to get 2.5. I'm at 32. I'm going to get 32. I'm going to get 5. I'm going to get 35. 32. I'm going to get 35, Nick. I'm going to get 3,500. 32, and I'm going to get 3,500. I'm going to get 2, I'm going to get 9. No, 3 here. You got to be 2.5. I'm a 3, going to get 2.5. Next I'm going to get 31. I'm a 3, going to get 30. It's a great big old room, and everybody's hot. They're fanning themselves, and we think they're coming in right there. Your glow gets it $3,000.
$3,000 for a cake. Oh, okay, for Jersey. Okay. Jonathan just left for work, and I'm doing a little bit of Saturday morning cleaning, fixing to make my coffee. We have some stuff going on at the house today, like workers. Chaz is supposed to come and finish doing his landscaping. We had him landscape our front yard, and he's gonna mow like our front and backyard and stuff. And then we also have a guy coming to pressure wash because we have wood siding just in like the top section on this side, and like a really small section on the other side. And wood siding every once in a while has to be pressure washed because it kind of starts to get like kind of like a green, like an algae type to it. So it has to be pressure washed probably maybe every year or so to prevent it from growing. But I mean, obviously we don't know when the last time it was done, and it's definitely time to have it redone. I'm a little bit nervous though, because when we moved in, we were actually told by the inspector that it looked like that siding was gonna need to be replaced pretty soon, and that can be really expensive, like up to like $10,000, depending on like exactly how much you have, how much siding you have, and then like what materials because there's different, like you can get like the real wood, you can get like a hardy plank, you can get vinyl siding. So like depending on what we choose is gonna be, you know, how much it's gonna cost and all that kind of stuff. So I'm a little bit nervous about having it pressure washed, that it might accelerate the timeline for us having to get it replaced. I would like to try to do something like that and pay for it cash, you know, have the money saved up. But if it happens now, like after he pressure washes, we'll have to finance. So, but anyways, I feel hungover, which is weird because I didn't drink last night. Oh yeah, I was like, why did I even start this vlog? But I was gonna say, like, I never said anything last night, but we had such a good time at the little county fair and stuff, hanging out with our friends. That was a good time. So, all right, let me get back to cleaning and I'll check in with you later. So I just tried to experiment and make these keto kolaches, which they've turned out okay. They do need they need more dough, so I need to work on that. But I had leftover dough, and I made these little like crackers. I fried them up in some bacon grease and then put some salt on them when I got them out of the frying pan. They're so good that I filled up on this, and I don't even have room to eat the kolache. But yeah, I should have. I don't know what I was thinking. I tightly wrapped the sausages and not thinking about like the ratio of the dough to the sausage and like a normal kolache. But I mean, it still tastes good. But yeah, it definitely needs more dough. So Chaz is here right now. He's out there finishing up the landscaping, and then David is like a friend or customer slash, it's like a friend slash customer of Jonathan's, and he does pressure washing, and he's actually on his way over right now to pressure wash the house. I think I told y'all about that already, but anyways. Okay, stop eating. Let's go look at the yard.
Yeah, I'll try to hurry up and
before.
Yeah, professional picture. I would say before and after too, but I don't have no fancy
The yard's looking good. Got my man Chaz working over here. So my neighbors are having a birthday party and we're having our house pressure washed. Oops. Sorry guys. No more green. Still have like the stuff, but at least it didn't come off, so that way we don't have to replace the siding just yet. So we had Chaz rip up all the purple things that were around both the trees, and he cleaned up all the bushes over there and all the purple stuff over there, trimmed the bushes, same thing, cleaned up over here, got all the crap out of there. Now he's mulching. Doing good.
What was that?
Oh, I was just saying how everything's coming along.
Sweet redemption, I will never let you down. Will it ever get sunny? Oh, I wonder, honey, baby, how you make me sway. You say you will. I'm calling your addictive brand. You say you will, yeah. I'm crossing the obsessive line. You say you will. I'm calling your addictive brand.
So another day where I didn't really say goodnight to the vlog, but the derby was really fun. I've never experienced anything like that. I'm born and raised in Texas. It has nothing to do with me being a Yankee, and I'm not a Yankee. Rude. Just my family didn't do stuff like that. You're mean.
Why not? It's fun.
Families do different things. That's not what my family did. But anyways, we had a really good time. And then we ate carbs. And then we felt bad. And both physically and mentally. And now we are up going to the gym. So
To make those bad decisions right.
I know, to make up for the bad decisions we made yesterday. Well, let's see, I started vlogging at like 5:30 this morning. And then I didn't pick up the camera again until 9:30. I'm the worst vlogger ever. So we made it to the gym, we worked out, we came home, we had breakfast, and then we went over to Dustin and Jen's house. They are actually some friends from the YouTube channel. We met through my channel, and they live locally, and we went over and hung out with them and barbecued and spent the day with them. And I did not vlog because I honestly didn't know, like, you know, their kids were there and stuff. So, but then after the fact, they were like, oh, you could have totally vlogged. Okay, well, maybe we should have clarified that in the beginning. So, but anyways, we just got home. So while we were over there, we were sitting under their covered patio, but the sun started to creep up on this side, and he is so burnt on this arm and then on that side of his neck. Did you have a good time though?
Yeah, it was fun.
Yeah, we had a blast. I am exhausted, and I am going to wrap up the weekend vlog. I hope you had a great weekend, and subscribe if you haven't already. Don't forget to click that thumbs up button, and I will see you guys next time. Bye. No, like I said, like an Easter outfit.
What am I, 5? I need an Easter outfit.
Hello.